Hi everyone! Nasaan tayo kuya? We are here at Mirador Heritage and Eco Industrial Park. St. Joseph Gate. And we can actually like go here and go here. May entrance fee. Okay, dito tayo. Here. Way of the Cross. Ayan. So, first station. Ayan, nasa first station tayo. Ayan yung first station. So, this is the Way of the Cross na. Ito naman yung second station. Ayan kuya. Ayan. I came here yesterday. That's the second station. Dami pa rin pine trees dito sa Baguio. Third station, kuya. There. That's the third station. Fourth station. Ayan. Scourging and crowning with thorns. This is the fifth station. Jesus receives the cross. Ayan. Fifth station. Sixth station. Jesus falls under the weight of the cross. Lamig ng hangin dito sa Baguio. So despite it's sunny here, but still we feel the cool breeze of the wind. Ayan. And it's windy talaga dito. Sarap siya sa skin. And this is going to be the seventh station. Simon of Cyrene carries the cross of Jesus. Yan, yan siya. Nasa 7th station na kami. Yan. So, just cut it here and I'll create another video for the next stations.